In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when a folder was created on Google Drive. This is handy when you're organizing projects, verifying timelines, or just confirming when something first landed in your drive. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. At the top right, look for the grid icon, often called Google Apps. Click that to open the menu of Google Services. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue, so you see the right files and folders. From the Apps menu, click Drive to open Google Drive. Once Drive loads, navigate to the folder you want to check. You'll see the folder listed among your files. Select that folder so it's highlighted, then click the three vertical dots next to it. This is the More Actions button, and it opens a menu with options specific to the item you've selected. In that menu, move your mouse over the File Information option. Hovering there will reveal additional choices related to the folder's details and history. Now click on Details. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen with information about the selected folder. If you see tabs at the top of this panel, make sure you're on the Details tab rather than Activity. With the Details panel open, scroll down until you find the section labeled Created. This is the timestamp that shows the exact date, and sometimes the time, when the folder was originally created in Google Drive. It's different from Last Modified, which reflects the most recent change, and different from Opened by Me, which is simply when you last accessed it. The Created field is the one you want for the folder's origin. A couple of quick tips as you review this information. If you're looking at a folder that's shared with you or stored in a shared drive, creation details may reflect ownership and permissions set by your organization. Also, if you don't immediately see the created field, keep scrolling through the Details panel, as Drive can list several attributes depending on the folder type and sharing settings. That's all you need to confirm when a folder was created. By using the More Actions menu, opening file information, and checking details, you can quickly get an authoritative timestamp without leaving Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and confident about your folder timelines.